Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification, right, for more videos. We are continuing on Postman series, right, we are continuing on previous session. We have seen how to start the Jenkins and how to integrate our Postman collection, how to run and how to attach report, how to show report in the Jenkins. Right, if you haven't watched, please watch it first, then come to here, otherwise you will not understand. Right, in this video we will create a repository and we will attach this repository in the Jenkins, and then how to run, how to show reports in the Jenkins. Right, okay then. Right, we can go to repositories. You can click on the new. If you don't have a Git account, just create it. This is very simple. Right, if you have a Gmail account, you can create one GitHub account. Right, you can go to github.com, you can create by using your Gmail account. Right, then come here. Once it is opened, it will be look like this. Right, you can click on the new. Right, you can give the repository name. Right, I am giving Postman. Right, then description is optional. We can keep it as a private. And checkbox, add a readme file. Right, then just click on create repository. I am telling easy way. Right, once it is done, what we have to do, just to take this, copy the URL, click on the code, copy the URL. Now come to your any directory, open the directory. You can go to your system and you can create one directory. Just I am creating a Git. Okay. Now what are the files? Right, in this Git, right, just I will clone it. Git clone. Right, give the URL and then click on OK. Right, then close it. Now what are the files I required? I required this JSON file and then environment file. Right, those two are fine. Right, for now those two are fine. These are also we can add to Git. Right, for now, right, go to Postman. Right, then click on. Right, now open the command prompt here. Right, open the command prompt here. Right, first we have to install the Git. Right, first we have to install the Git. How to install the Git? Right, you can go to browser. Right, you can install Git, download for Windows. You can download Windows system. You can right click on the Windows, it will download. Right, first to make sure it is installed in our system. Then if you want to tortoise Git, one more is tortoise Git download. Right, you can download the tortoise Git 64-bit. Just download and install it. So that right, whenever you will right click, right, if you right click anywhere, it will show Git clone. If you install tortoise Git, right, if you tortoise Git, if you install, it will be very easy. Right, command prompt. If you are familiar with command prompt, go with. I am telling in easy way. Before cloning, we have to download those two softwares, install it, then create the Git repository, clone it, then copy the files. Right, now you can directly by using this, right click, tortoise Git, check for modifications. Right, here it will come, you select all the files, add, right, and then commit, right, and push. Right, it will ask for the message. Just I am giving initial code commit something. Right, you can here commit and push, click on it. Right, very simple. If you are familiar with command prompt, you can go for it. Right, it is now code is committed to Git. Now if I go to my GitHub repository, just refresh it. See, code was code was committed here. Now come to Jenkins part. Now copy this URL. Now come to Jenkins. Right, whoever directly watching, please watch before this previous video. right? You will know how to install, how to start the Jenkins, how to create the Jenkins job, how to install plugin, those things. Right, now come to configure section. Right, we have already created in the previous class. Now come here source code management. Source code management, click here Git. Right, give the Git repository. Right, here we don't require any credentials, just we are cloning, right? It will clone, right? We don't require anything. First one is this one. Right, now here we have to change, right? Our branch name is main, right? If you observe here, this is main, not a master. Previously it is master, now it is changed to main. It is main. Right, we have to give the main, replace the master with main. Now come here, you can select this one, delete workspace before every build, so that it will freshly, every time it will take the fresh code. Now here see Newman run, no need to give any path. Directly we can give the what is the collection name, -e, environment name, -r, HTML extra. Right, we no need to specify where to generate separate path also, report where to generate. We no need to go, just this command Newman run, collection name -e, environment JSON, and then -r, HTML extra. Right, now come to in the post build section. Post build section, we have to write in the post build section, just add the, right, just click on post build action, add the publish HTML report. Right, then here we have to give like this workspace, right, workspace / Newman, where report will generate. Right, once you click on the run, right, it will report will be generated under users, right, your name .jenkins folder, workspace, postman collection. Until this is the workspace folder, and under that Newman folder will be created. Here it will create the report. So we have to give this path to take the report. To recognize the Jenkins, we have to give this path. How to give that path? Workspace. Workspace means until the root directory it will take, then Newman, under Newman. What is the report name? Right, how report name will generate? Right, how, right, here I have given what is the my collection name, right, GoRest _ chaining. Right, by using this one, report name will be generated. Right, so the Jenkins also starts with GoRest, remaining can be anything, star.html, otherwise star.star. If star.star not working, we have to give initial starting word, star, then .html. And the report name, you can give the report name and click the publish. Right, it will be like this. You click on the publish option, right, enable this, so that for every build HTML report will be attached for every build. Otherwise every time it will generate only one report. Previous build reports it will not attach, we cannot show. We have to click on this, then only we will see. For each build we can see the report. Now click on the apply save. Right, now click on the build now. Right, click on the build now. Right, open, you can see Git checkout. It is checkout and then running. Our right script is running. Right, build is success. Right, now go to latest build. Inside the latest build, right, we have given what is the report name, Postman report. See, it's generated perfectly. Right, like this we can integrate right, end to end, Jenkins to Git. From Git we can generate the execute our scripts and generate the report we can show in the Git. Right, you can practice. If you have any issues in the comment section, I will reply to that. Right, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notifications for more interesting videos. Right, share to your friends, comment if you have any doubts, like the video. Thanks for watching.